Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Welcome to Forward Public School E-Learning Class 3 Subject Social Studies Chapter 1 Part 2 Written Work. My name is Wajiha and I am your Social Studies teacher. Open your book on page number 7. So exercise C is write T for the pictures related to present time and P for the past. T आपने उन पिक्चर्स के लिए लिखना है जो कि हम प्रेजेंट टाइम में इस्तेमाल होती हैं और पी उन पिक्चर्स के लिए लिखना है जो चीज़ें गुजरे हुए ज़माने या पास्ट में इस्तेमाल हो चुकी हैं. इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर हियर इज अ मोबाइल फोन विच इज़ यूज्ड इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम, सो राइट टी इन दिस ब्लॉक. In the second picture there is a tonga which was used in the past, so write P in the block. Students, let's move to page number 8. In the third picture there is a ship which is used in the present time for traveling. एक कश्ती बताई गई है जो कि हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं मौजूदा वक्त में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए. तो आपने टी डालना है या लिखना है इस ब्लॉक में. Here is a fourth picture in which lantern was used in the past for lightning, so put P in this block for the past. In the fifth picture there is a bullock cart which was used in the past, so put P in this block. In the sixth picture there is a stove which is used in the present time. चूल्हा बताया गया है जो कि हम खाना बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं मौजूदा वक्त में, so put T in this block for the present time. In the seventh picture there is an aeroplane which is used in the present time for traveling, so put T in this block for the present time. In the eighth picture there is a post letter which was used for the past, so put P in this block. इस पिक्चर में क्लासरूम बताया गया है जो कि हम मौजूदा ज़माने में इस्तेमाल करते हैं पढ़ाई के लिए या तालीम हासिल करने के लिए, so put T in this block. Here is in this picture there is a bulb which is used for lightning in the present time. एक बल्ब बताया गया है जो कि हम रोशनी के लिए मौजूदा वक्त में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, so put T in this block for the present time. Students, now let's start written work. Open your homework copies and on the first page write midterm, then on the next page write homework, serial number and date, then below this write English alphabets, capital letters and draw 4 lines, then start from A to Z capital letters, then on the next page draw 4 lines and then write small letters from A to Z. Then students, on the third page write sky letters and then write the letters on the above on the first 3 lines. Sky letters क्या होते हैं? Sky letters वो होते हैं जो हम ऊपर की 3 लाइनों में लिखते हैं, जैसे ये ऊपर की 3 लाइनों में लिखा गया है B, D, F. Then write on the next page grass letters. Grass letters क्या होते हैं? Grass letters वो होते हैं जो कि दरमियान की 2 लाइनों में लिखे जाते हैं, जैसे कि A, C, E, I. Then write root letters. Root letters क्या होते हैं? जो कि नीचे की 3 लाइनों में लिखे जाते हैं, which you write in the last 3 lines. For example, G, J, P. Then on the next page, students, you have to write homework, serial number and date, then start midterm contents. Number 1, past and present things. Number 2, working out disagreement. Number 3, sun. Number 4, kinds and uses of natural resources. Draw finishing line in the end. Students, on the next page you have to write homework, serial number and date, then start. पहले आप लिखेंगे लेसन नंबर 1 पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट थिंग्स, देन द चैप्टर कंटेंट्स, देन इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन फिर दूसरी लाइन में आप लिखेंगे नंबर 1 वर्ड्स उर्दू मीनिंग्स, नंबर 2 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, नंबर 3 ट्रू फॉल्स, नंबर 4 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स, Number 5 long questions answers. आखिर में आपने finishing line draw करनी है. Students of class 3, then you have to write on the next page homework, serial number and date. Let's start with writing lesson number 1. On the next line, past and present things. Draw line between words and Urdu meanings. Then start with the heading words, Urdu meanings. Number 1 communicate, rabta. Number 2 facility, sahulat. Number 3 connect, jodna. Number 4 travel, safar. Number 5 difficult, mushkil. Draw finishing line in the end. On next page, question number 2 is fill in the blanks. खाली जगह पुर करें. Number 1 in past days the life was very dash. Put the word difficult in the dash. पुराने दिनों में या गुजरे हुए दिनों में जिंदगी बहुत मुश्किल थी. So we use the word difficult for मुश्किल, so put the word difficult in this blank. Number 2, people use mobiles, laptops and internet to dash. So put the word communicate in the dash. लोग मोबाइल्स, लैपटॉप और इंटरनेट इस्तेमाल करते हैं एक दूसरे से राब्ता करने के लिए. So we use communicate for rabta, so put communicate in this blank. Number 3, in past days people communicate with each other through dash, so put post in the dash. लोग पुराने या गुजरे दिनों में एक दूसरे से राब्ता करते थे खतूत के जरिए. We use post for the खतूत. Number 4, we can travel through dash in a very short time. Put the word aeroplane in the blank. हम सफर करते हैं हवाई जहाज के जरिए बहुत कम वक्त में. We use the word aeroplane for हवाई जहाज, so put aeroplane in the blank. Number 5, in past dash were used to travel. Put the word ships in the blank. गुजरे हुए जमाने में कश्तियों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता था सफर के लिए. So we used ships for the word कश्तियां, so put ships in the blank. Draw finishing line in the end. So students, on the next page, let's write homework, serial number and date. Then start with the question number 3, true false. Number 1, mud houses were common in the past. True. मट्टी से बने हुए घर पुराने जमाने में आम थे. सही. Number 2, mobile phone is the source of transportation. False. मोबाइल फोन ज़राए आमदोरफ्त का एक जरिया है. गलत. मोबाइल फोन नहीं बल्कि इसकी जगह बस, एरोप्लेन इस्तेमाल होता है. Number 3, we use internet for communication. True. हम इंटरनेट को राब्ते के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सही. Number 4, present life is more difficult than the past. मौजूदा जिंदगी गुजरी हुई से बहुत मुश्किल है. False. So let's start with the short question answers. Question number 1. Search for any 2 modern inventions other than given in the book. Answer. The 2 modern inventions are number 1 bullet train, number 2 electric lifts. Question number 2. Do you think discovery of wheel have made human life easier? Answer. Yes, the discovery of wheel have made the human life easier. Draw finishing line in the end. On the next page, write the heading of long questions answers. Question number 1. How did people enlighten their houses before the invention of electricity? Answer. The people enlightened their houses with kerosene lamps, candles, fireplaces before the invention of electricity. Draw finishing line. Question number 2. Write any 2 advantages of modern communication system. Number 1. We can travel from one place to another in a very short time. Number 2. We can easily communicate with each other anytime. Draw finishing line in the end. Students, this is the end of book exercises and written work. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.